What do you think about these flowers and their colors? About the sea and its smell? The wind and the water? Or that bike? I'm sure there's an incredible story behind. Maybe a story about someone lost in these eternal roads, where shapes, views and landscapes are coming as a kind of beautiful mistakes. Because of the roads that seem they cannot take you to anywhere, placed just to lose you. But what does it mean to be lost? I mean, every road takes you to somewhere, even though there's a desolated, lifeless place. Or maybe just the opposite. And you find the people, the noisy people and all those lights and colors. You're still surrounded by mistakes, success and total failures. Life is condensed in a short time and small place now. But then you decide to run away from this side of the life to the other, the go and the comeback, new spots with amazing textures. But we were talking about the story of the bike. Maybe that story started just on the opposite side, where gas, flags, rubbish, plastic and wires meet civilization. The goal, and now the comeback. We look for common places when we travel: houses, signals, skies, trams, hotels, motels and cities. We love to be there, raising our heads just to see the sun before another day comes to its end. How many times per year you stop to see a sunset or a landscape? People, roads, trees, bedrooms, flowers, mirrors, dinners. We are amazed by everything when we travel. It could be a message in a mattress or that pair of shoes. We discover new places but common places. Things that have always been there, but we never realized before. Because we are more lucid when we travel. We see the world and we think up. Like a kid, wondering what happened to that bike.